So right now I have to do some walking. As you can see, conditions are terrible. Bad, bad, bad. Yeah. Very terrible conditions. Look at that bike. Look at my condition. Road, look at it. So I have to do some walking. Yeah. Just have about 4 miles again to go to reach out. So I'm doing good. Taking it easy. Over and out. Saturday, 30th November 2024. The day's ride from my home village of Todro to Rio Claro, through the Guayaguari Forest of Guayaguari, onto Mayaro, and now finishing here at Bodos, the Fishman. Yeah, a distance of 55 miles in 6.5 hours. The journey through the Guayaguari forest was full of adventure, mud, slide and fall, get up and go. Until then, over and out.